Hi, it's Caitlin, and today we will be doing a little bit of spot cleaning around the house. So the kitchen, the bathrooms, I have a little list here of everything that I need to do. So we'll go ahead and get started. If you're interested in something like this, I'll show you my list. So we have to spot clean the kitchen and the bathrooms, vacuum the house, fold and put away all the laundry, and there's a ton. Do a load of socks and undies. I already started that load, so I have to switch it over. And one monthly chore, which I picked, dust the house. So if you would like to watch me spot clean my house, then keep watching. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys my little list that I write down on this notepad. I'm getting low on paper, but I think I have a new one back in stock. So there's the list. Today is Friday, so I usually do a little bit of a spot clean on Friday because I like to have like somewhat clean house going into the weekend. And then usually my major cleaning day is like Mondays. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so we're going to start in the kitchen, and I'm just putting away last night's dishes and emptying the dishwasher. I have this weird thing where I have to switch all my dishes around, like my cups and bowls and plates and stuff, so that I'm not using the same ones over and over again. I do the same thing with my utensils. I don't know, maybe it's a little OCD or something, but it's just something I always do. So now I'm just washing today's dishes, which there wasn't much. And here I'm just filling up the soap solution that I make. I just put in a couple pumps of dish detergent and some essential oil. I think I put in lemon. And here I'm laughing because my husband told me he put his pants on backwards. Oh, there he is. His pants are on the right way. So I'm just wiping down all the counters with my soap solution and oil. It smells like lemon. Sometimes I move everything in my kitchen, sometimes I don't. I don't really keep very much on my counters on purpose so that I can move things around easier. And I don't always clean my desk area, but I did today. Just filling up the Keurig thing there. I had washed the little coucher, which was like really bad. That thing looked terrible. And here I'm just switching over the laundry that I had talked about in the beginning. Using Bounce scentless dryer sheets. I do have scented ones, but I wanted to use scentless on that type of laundry. So just changing out the trash can and all that. And now I'm about to sweep. And here I'm just using my Bona mop, and this is the guest bathroom. Once again, I don't keep much on my counters on purpose so that I'm able to wipe them down a little bit easier, and just a quick wipe down on the toilets. But here's the master bath, and same thing here.
I always have to make sure I wipe out Alex's sink because he shaves and he doesn't. Ugh. If you know what I'm talking about, then you'll know. And just dusting, I did dust the other table side area, but it was too dark, you couldn't see it. So this is Alex's little workstation. And just dusting out the living room and dining room area pretty much. We do have an entertainment area like a TV and stuff, but Alex was playing a video game, so I just kept the dusting over here and let him play his video game. And I had just rearranged some of my decor, so it was taking me a few minutes to kind of get it back where I wanted it. And the last thing I'm doing is vacuuming. I always vacuum last just because I'll sweep the dust on the floor because I'm lazy. But yeah.
Well, I'm going to end the video here by folding some laundry. I hope you enjoyed my little spot cleaning routine. Some of you may think it's like kind of a lot. Sometimes I just quickly wipe down the counters, but I kind of felt like they needed just a little bit more today. But and then I just quickly kind of vacuumed the whole house. I just showed you guys vacuuming my living room because I was running out of space and my battery's dying. So I'm going to end here with folding laundry. And I hope that gave you some motivation to maybe do a little spot cleaning in your house also. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and comment down below anything that you want to tell me, and subscribe. So I will see you guys later. Bye.